Mastering several. A guide to quantifiers. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's lesson where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of quantifiers, focusing particularly on the usage of the word several. This is a key word in English that can add precision to your speech and writing. Don't forget, practice is the key to mastering any language. So, stay tuned till the end for some interesting exercises. Firstly, let's clarify what several means. Several is a quantifier used to indicate an unspecified but relatively small number, more than two but not many. For example, she's read several books on the topic, suggests that she has read more than a couple of books, but not a large number. Understanding the definition is one thing, but seeing several in action is another. Here are a few more examples. There are several ways to solve this problem. He's broken his promise several times. We've eaten there several times. Notice how several precedes the noun it quantifies. It also generally refers to countable nouns. Let's move on to the practice activities. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. Fill in the blanks. Choose between several, a few, or many to complete the sentences. Remember, the context is important. A. I've told him blank times to clean his room. B. There are blank routes to reach the destination. C. She has blank friends in this city. 2. Create your own sentences. Now it's your turn. Try to make sentences using several. Don't be afraid to get creative with your sentences. Remember to pause the video here and take your time with these exercises. They are crucial in helping you understand the concept. Now let's review the answers to the exercises and see why each answer is correct. 1. Fill in the blanks. A. I've told him several times to clean his room. Here, several fits best as it implies a relatively small, but frustratingly significant, number of times. B. There are several routes to reach the destination. Several is used here to indicate there are more than a few routes, but not an overwhelming number. C. She has a few friends in this city. In this context, a few is the best choice to indicate a small number of friends. These answers may vary depending on the situation or speaker's perspective. That brings us to the end of our lesson on the usage of several. Remember, practice is the key to becoming comfortable with using several correctly. I hope this lesson was helpful and enlightening for you all. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for our next lesson on enough. Happy learning!